Greetings. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can add currency right here in Microsoft Excel. And if you're new to this video, just stick to the end and then you understand how to do this, right? Because sometimes you might in the office and ask to add currency to it. You don't know how to do it. You go like maybe an interview and you get the same thing. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually add currency. First thing you want is to click right inside here and you're going to block it. Notice, you make sure block everything. You're going to come right up here that said numbers right in here. Right in the home tab, notice the general. You come right here, you can click this, you notice it, add the currency right there. Otherwise, what you can do, you can come right here, click a little point and come down. You notice right here is your currency. You click, you notice, just like that. And that's how you actually add the currency right there in Excel. So hope you have learned something from the short discourse. Remember to share it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.